What's up, everybody? I'm Angelica Prather, founder and CEO of Charge Your Worth Academy. For those who don't know me, allow me to introduce myself. I am a business coach, I am a speaker, and I'm an income strategist supporting hairstylists. So this year, I have the privilege and the honor to be a VIP speaker at Creators Unleash Conference, which is going down September 8th and 9th, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You do not want to miss it. And you're probably wondering, am I a creator? And let me just explain to you what a creator is. If you're bringing something to the marketplace with any value, bringing something to existence, you're a creator. So, are you a beauty professional? Are you a podcaster? Are you even in your church creating content for your community? Are you even a brick and mortar CEO, right? You have a brick and mortar, you have to bring content in order to run your business and connect to your ideal clients, connect with them to know, like, and trust you. And sometimes that can get a little overwhelming. So this conference is going down for anyone that is in the creator space, and that's you. So let me give you some good details. The investment, guess what? It's free. It's not going to cost you anything but your time. Now, time is very valuable. So we want to provide value in this conference. So that's what's going to be going down. Free 99. It's not going to cost you anything but your time. You do not want to miss it. So where can you register? Which is going to be somewhere on the screen, letting you know that this is where you can go. And you want to make sure that you register and be there. Okay? Because the seats are filling up fast. And I know myself, I don't like to be last Larry. I don't want to be on those struggle bus. And this is going down and I don't want to miss it. I want to make sure that I'm there, present, ready to take some notes, connect with people live, and just enjoy being in the atmosphere of a creative space. Because we all ultimately want to win and succeed in our businesses. But that gets a little lonely sometimes. So come meet other people that are going to be in this industry and just come there to learn, grow, and excel, because that's the key to success. But of course, we're bringing you the best of the best in their fields, in their industry, to help you win and succeed post-pandemic. I'm looking forward to seeing you there, so make sure you register. Get your seat filled. I'll see you there.